Dear students, I welcome you to the society class. So in this class, we are going to concentrate over the various ecological issues, the ecological aspects which affects the living beings in the planet Earth. So one of these things is acid rain. We are getting rain. Rain is necessary for the agricultural activities and for surviving of the life of living beings. But when the acid is affected by various human activities, industrial activities and so on, when nitrogen or sulfur content in the air has increased more than its limited level, then when rain is formed and when you get rain, it's mixed with acid, because when when the rain water is mixed with sulfur content in the air, sulfuric acid may be produced. Whenever the rainwater is pure form only, which is when it comes from cloud, but when it's mixed with nitrogen, it becomes nitric acid. So when this acid, when they fall on the ground, it may affect the agricultural activities, it may affect the crops, it may affect the planets, it may affect the acid rain may cause several diseases among the living beings. So it's an undesirable one. So it can be prevented by reducing the pollution, air pollution mainly. So by reducing air pollution, the acid rain formation can be prevented. Due to acid rain, the pH value is increased more than 5.7, which is not suitable for living beings. Therefore, also the acid rain causes corrosion on the metals. So metal surface part may be affected, and also it causes ecological imbalance. So we should reduce the formation of acid by controlling the air pollution, mainly in industries. When the smoke coming out of the industries may cause this acid rain. Also it affects the ocean. When the rainwater falls over the ocean, the various minerals like sulfur, carbon, these things may be increased, and sea living beings may be affected. Therefore, it's necessary to control the pollution, air pollution. Also, the other economical aspect is ozone layer. Ozone layer protects the living beings in the earth. Ozone layer is nothing but the formation of 3 oxygen atoms together to form a molecule. And that O3, it's called O3, that forms the layer over the atmosphere around the globe, around the earth. So whenever harmful rays which comes out of the space from various celestial bodies like stars and so on, the harmful rays may be filtered and it may be prevented to enter into the earth. The harmful rays may be ultraviolet rays or some other rays may affect the living beings, may affect the health of the living beings. Therefore, the ozone layer should be protected properly. But due to the human activities, especially in refrigeration, when you use a CFC, that may affect the ozone layer formation. It may react with the ozone and it splits the ozone into oxygen. So ozone layer is affected. It's called the ozone hole. Ozone hole is formed. Through this ozone hole, harmful radiation may enter into the earth, and the earth living beings may be affected. So ozone layer must be protected. Whenever use the refrigerants, the refrigerants should not affect the ozone layer. Also, the exhaust from jet planes and these things may also affect the ozone layer. So we have to go for alternate refrigerants and alternate fuel for jet planes and so on. So the ecological issues should be considered and the pollution should be reduced and ecological balance should be obtained. That will save the life of the living beings in the earth. So short notes may be asked from these topics. So go through your topics. The notes will be provided and it can be downloaded from this group. So start studying and also you should try to answer the previous questions. It may be supplied to you. Go through these portions and we shall continue the next class. Thank you.